Hi everyone, we're going to find the constant term in the expansion of 2x minus 1 over x squared to the 9th power, and the constant term is x to the 0 power. Remember, any x to the 0 power is 1. And basically what it means is we're finding the last term of the expansion here without having to go through all this. So without having to write the whole thing out. So we're going to write down our general term, or general formula, which is n choose r, a to the n minus r times b to the r. And this a is 2x, b is negative 1 over x squared, and our n is 9. So I'm going to fill everything in. We know our n is 9. We don't know r. That's what we're going to have to find. My a is 2x to the 9 minus r, and my b is negative x to the negative 2. I'm just rewriting this as x to the negative 2. And then this is to the r power. Now, when you have some coefficients in front, what we're first going to do is not deal with those. So we have two coefficients. We have 2 and actually negative 1 here. And I'm going to ignore those for now and just solve for r, because we want it to equal x to the 0. So we're going to have x to the 9 minus r. Then we have x to the negative 2r equals, set it to x to the 0 power. Using a product property of exponents, we have 9 minus r minus 2r equals x to the 0. So we get, the x can cancel here. Well, they don't really cancel, but we don't have to deal with them. So we have 9 minus 3r equals 0. Clearly r is 3, or you can just solve for r this way. So r is 3. And we're just going to plug this back into this equation. And then we can find the constant term. So basically we have 9 choose 3. 2x to 9 minus 3 is 6, and then we have negative x to the negative 2 to the r is 3. Okay, so 9 choose 3, I think I already did that one. Yeah, so basically this is, if you put in the calculator, 9 choose 3, and that's going to be 84. And then we have 2 to the 6th times x to the 6th. And this negative here, since it's to the 3rd power, I'm just going to go ahead and pull it out front. Pull it in the front here. Well, I can write it down. So this would be negative x to the negative 6. Now I'm pulling out the negative here. I'm pulling this negative and putting it in front. And then we have 2 to the 6th is 64. Then I have x to the 6th times x to the negative 6. Okay, this right here equals x to the 0. And these two multiplied give you negative 5,376 times x to the 0. X to the 0 is just 1. So our answer is negative 5,376. And that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.